post lady's just been. I ordered this yesterday. Well, Jason ordered it. Tell a lie. Jason ordered this for me at 1:30 yesterday, and it's just arrived. It's now Saturday morning, 10 to 9 a.m, and it's just arrived. What a blooming good service that is. We've got Amazon Prime. It's well worth having Amazon Prime. It really is. So, what is it? Well, it's one of these. I had one of these ages ago, and God knows what happened to it. With the move and everything, we moved quite a lot. Right, with nomads. It got lost. Well, I think it either got lost or I sold it at a boot sale or something. I'm not quite sure what I did with it. Anyway, I decided I wanted another one. So, hence, here it is. So, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing and show you my cafetiere. So, let's get rid of that. There it is. I bought an 8 cup. This is an 8 cup one because I didn't see the point in getting a small one. Because I must admit, we like a couple, you know, it's quite nice to have a couple of cups of coffee, isn't it? So there it is. There's your little plungy thing. And then you get a spare filter mesh thing. And you probably get a guarantee, I expect. I paid, oh, I can't remember how much I paid for this. I'll ask. He's having a look. Anyway, this is the company that I bought it from. I don't know if you can see that. It's Homdox, Homdox, and that was via Amazon. And if you go on their, if you email them at homdox2015@gmail.com, they will give you loads of discounts. You can get 12% discount, and you can get 50% off on birthday shopping at their store. So I don't know if they've got, they must have, I don't know if they've got just online store, whether they've got, you know, high street stores. I don't know. Have a look. But it was really good price for what we paid. I know. It was reduced as well, but Jason's having a quick look, so he'll tell you in a minute. Anyway, so that's that. So what I've got to go in it is some Kenyan Deluxe roast and ground coffee. Which is a fruity and fresh lemon and black currant notes. And I got that from Lidl recently, and I think I paid about £1.90 for it, something like that. It wasn't overly expensive. So Jason's coming back with the price. How much was it? £11.79. £11.79. Bargain. There you go. Free delivery, and it came in less than 24 hours. Brilliant. So, what I'm going to do is make it up. So, open up your coffee. Oh, God, it smells lovely. Really lovely. And then I'm going to put some in my... And what I tend to do is put a teaspoon for a cup, per cup, yeah, to get me? So we're probably going to have, we've got biggish cups, so we're probably going to do 4. So I'll put 4 cups in, and 1 for the pot. And then I've pre-boiled my kettle. So I'm going to pour in my water. Just going to let that settle for a minute. And you don't want to plunge it down just yet. You want to let it settle, okay? So let that settle before you plunge that down. So that's that. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you this. I've been dying to use my coffee set. This is my coffee set. Obviously, I'm not going to use my coffee pot. I bought this a couple of years ago in a charity shop, and it's a Marrakesh, it's called, by Windsor, and it's English fine bone china. I bought this whole tea set for It's got such a pretty design on it, look. I absolutely love this coffee set. I paid £5 for this. Amazing, absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful, it really is. And it is in really, really good condition. I couldn't believe my luck. So I got the coffee pot, the little sugar bowl, and a little milk jug. And it's just perfect, look. It's in such good condition. And I got 4 cups and saucers for a £5. Absolutely amazing. When I brought it home, I looked online and I saw on eBay identical to this being sold for between £50 and £80. But I don't want to sell it. I actually really like it. So I'm keeping it. So anyway, so we're going to have our coffee in it. So once your coffee has done a bit of settling, all you're going to do is very, very gently plunge down the plunger, and that takes down the coffee to the bottom. It's very slowly. Now you can either put have it black, it's up to you how you have your coffee, or you can have it with milk, or you can have it with powdered milk. Now I like it personally with powdered milk. So there we go, that's all the way down. What I tend to use is a coffee mate. So teaspoon, couple of teaspoons of coffee mate, because this is a really tiny little teaspoon. And I am a bit of a sugar girl. And there we have it. A proper cup of coffee on a Saturday morning. Chin chin. Happy Saturday. That's lovely. Bit nicer than instant. Really nice. So go and get yourself one. Get yourself on Amazon. Just over £10. You can get yourself a nice little cafetiere. And you too, the next day, can be sat with your feet up drinking a lovely proper cup of coffee. See you soon.